Hey, boys and girls. I'm just here to teach you about the lesson today. Last Friday, if you remember, you used this legend to find different addition facts that you learned in second grade. Now, some of you were confused, and so that's why I kind of wanted to take a step back and review some of that with you. So this whole chart right here that you see are all the single digit addition problems, and then there's 10 too, the tens. Now, your job wasn't to solve any problems. I should have clarified that last week. All I wanted you to do were just to find problems in this chart that pertain to the rule of those facts, right? So we said that adding zero facts were any fact plus zero. So I took this highlighter and I found any facts that had a plus zero in it. So 0 plus 0. Oops, and I'm going to use my highlighter. So there is 0 plus 0, 1 plus 0, 0 plus 2, 0 plus 3, 0 plus 4, 0 plus 5 is 5, right? And I wanted you to notice that the pattern for each one of these, right? So if you notice all of these, the answer is just the digit that you added 0 to, right? And then I want to do the count on facts, and that was simply just plus 1 facts, right? So I wanted you to figure out that if you do 3 plus 1, that's just like doing the next number above 3, right? So I wanted you to figure out and find the pattern in this table of the plus 1 facts, okay? And then there was the double facts. This is where some of you got tripped up on. Some of you thought double facts automatically meant plus 2, right? And you just kind of kept the pattern going here. But that's not the case. Doubles facts are any numbers plus themselves. So for an example, 2 plus 2 is a double fact, right? Because 2 and 2 are the same number. And that answer is 4. 3 and 3 are the same number. That's a doubles fact. 4 plus 4 equals 8 is a doubles fact. 5 plus 5 is 10 is a doubles fact. 6 plus 6 is 12 is a doubles fact. 7 plus 7, doubles fact. 8 plus 8, doubles fact. 9 plus 9, doubles fact. 10 plus 10, doubles fact. And then I wanted you to recall your doubles plus 1 facts. Now, those are a little bit trickier, right? So we're going to go to blue for those ones, and this is where a lot of people made some mistakes, so I wanted to go over. So doubles plus 1 is simply a doubles fact, 2 plus 2, except one more than the double. So if you think about it, 2 plus 2, well, what's one more than 2? 3. So one of the digits is going to be one more. So 2 plus 3 is just going to be one more than 2 plus 2, right? So instead of 4, it's going to be 5. 3 plus 3 is the doubles fact, so the doubles plus 1 fact is 3 plus 4. 4 plus 4 is the doubles fact, so the doubles plus 1 fact is 4 plus 5 equals 9, and so on, right? Instead of 5 plus 5, 5 plus 6. Instead of 6 plus 6, 6 plus 7. 7 plus 7, 7 plus 8. 8 plus 8, 8 plus 9. 9 plus 9, 9 plus 10. But then you're also going to notice that there's more over here. So instead of 3 plus 3, we could do 2 plus 3, right? Those are technically called the doubles minus 1 facts, and they're just one less than the answer. So 4 plus 4 is 8, so 4 plus 3 is 7. Right? 5 plus 5 is 10, so 5 plus 4 is going to be one less, right? So you can actually highlight all these as well. Okay. And then another one that you guys, a lot of people got tricked up on was the making 10 facts. Now, a lot of you thought that meant adding 10, and you just found all the adding 10s. Well, that's not the facts. Remember, making 10 means, like in that Brain Pop video, that you are combining two numbers to make 10 with an answer of 10, with a sum of 10. So if I look here on my chart, the first one that I see with an answer of 10 is right here. So 10 plus 0 is 10. 9 plus 1 is 10. 8 plus 2 is 10. 7 plus 3 is 10. 6 plus 4 is 10. 5 plus 5 is 10. 6 plus 4 is 10. 3 plus 7 is 10. 2 plus 8 is 10. So you should have a chart that looks kind of like this. So I'm going to actually save this one, and then you can just go on this one. Except today, now, your job is to fill in the rest. So the ones that I want you to do are the adding 10 facts. Now, if you remember last week, You watched a video on that 10 chart about adding 10 to a number, and how adding 10 to a number simply is just that number. So for example, if we do 2 plus 10, the 2 just moves into the ones place, and the 1 stays in the tens place, so it becomes 12. So let's pick a color that we can all do for our adding 10. And we haven't done orange yet. Let's do orange. We'll call that our adding 10 fact. So 10 plus 2 is 12. 10 plus 3 is 13. 10 plus 4 is 14, and so on. And I'm going to let you guys figure that one out. Now, kind of like our doubles plus 1 and doubles minus 1, we have our adding 9 facts. So that's simply just going to be the plus 9. And so kind of like 10 plus 2 is going to equal 12. So then we know that 9 plus 2 is going to be 1 less than that. And I know that 10 plus 3 equals 13. So 9 plus 3 is going to be 1 less than 13. That's going to be 12. So let's pick a color for our plus 9s. Let's see, we can do dark blue. All right. And then we can keep going. I'm going to let you guys finish it up. I started you on both the 10s and the 9s, and then you can go. For the leftover facts, that's any fact that doesn't have kind of a rule to it. So in my opinion, those are the hardest ones. The plus 10s, easy. Plus zeros, easy. Doubles, easy. There's going to be some facts, though, that aren't going to have anything. And I'm just going to leave this box white so that you can leave those leftover facts. What I want you to do when you're all done is to take a look at those leftover facts, okay? See which facts those are, because those are going to be ones that are going to be important to remember. And those are the ones that are actually kind of hard with flashcards because there's no rules. Okay, so your job today is to do the add 10s, okay, and the add 9s. Okay, and then you can just leave the leftover facts blank. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot me an email or type into your assignment and just say, I need help, and I'll get back to you. Thank you.